All right, everyone, let's do a little cold start on the 3. It's been sitting for a few days now. I've never done a video over here in Wilmington, but quite an interesting setup. As you can see, the neighbors down there have a GTR, an AMG 63S, and then there is a new Stingray C300 Cabrio. We've got another AMG, and then the people at the end of the street have a Model X and a McLaren. So quite the interesting setup out here. These are all private residences, so not student housing, which I guess makes a difference. But she's been sitting a few days. This is my first video with an iPhone 12, so let me know if you can tell a difference. Probably not. This phone was honestly a scam, no different than my 10 that was 3 years old. But no worries. I had a little COVID scare, so it's been sitting for about 3 days. Haven't gone anywhere. But we are negative after 2 tests. But foot on the brake. And she didn't like it. As you can see, service due pretty soon. Brake fluid is due, and I've got oil due in about 1,500 miles. So we'll be at the service center soon. But just wanted to do a quick little update video. I'm alive, thankfully, and just had a little cold. Looks like the Stingray is heading out, and I'll meet him at the stoplight. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.